Content creation is one of my favorite processes to manage, plan, and work on in Notion. Here's an example of a template I created for content marketing management, and I hope you will find some of it useful, maybe apply it in your content marketing as well. So let's start. As you can see, this is a dashboard that consists of multiple pages and multiple databases, all grouped in some areas categories. Here we have strategy, here we have items that are related to our brand, then operational items, here's the actual content, here are things related to media, and if we are working with clients for creating content for them, that goes here. I won't go into every single detail of this template, but I will show you the most significant parts. So I will start with the actual content. This is the database we have here. So this is where you actually plan and manage your content. It's a database that starts with ideas. So we always have some kind of an idea to start with. So you enter it here. You can give it a title. You can start just with that. Or if you already know what you would like to write about, then you can also add some more details to it in a page when you open it. So here you also have some of the templates for different kinds of content. And once you start working on your content, you change the status. So your piece of content is moving from idea to in progress, needs approval, and so on. I also implemented some of the buttons so it's easier to manage. If you are working in a team and somebody else needs to approve an idea, they can easily do it just by clicking on a button, and that triggers some other things like changing the status, adding the name of who approved it, and so on. So this is basically the main part. But to get here, you do need something else as well. So we also need our channels, because we need to know what are we actually doing for each of the channels we maintain. So I created a database for channel, and inside you can see content that is actually related to that channel. So you can do your planning also by channel. And here you have a database of the content. You also see what campaigns are currently related to this channel, and so on. If you want to add some additional ones, that's really easy to do. You just use the channel template here. And another thing that I think is really important for any content management, especially if you're working in a company and you're working in a team, then you do need to have some kind of a content guide. You do need to have some goals that you're trying to achieve. So I prepared a page also for content guide that you can easily fill with data related to your business, your products, your services. And I also created a database for content goals. So here is just one example, and then you can list them, and then it's probably easier to reach them once you have actually documented them. Another thing that can be helpful here is a media kit. So you fill this out and you basically then publish this page. Anytime a journalist asks you for some information about your company, then you can easily just share this page with them. Another thing that I believe is important, especially when you're working in a team, is to have a clear overview of your branding kit. So here is a place designated for that. And one of the things that I also created here within this template is a designs database. So if you have a designer, 1, 2, or more in your team, and let's say somebody in your company would like to create some kind of a presentation. Maybe they need a pitch template or something like that. So if you want everything to be on brand, then we have a nice button here for a new design request. Anyone from your company can easily just click on it and just title it. What is it that they need? So new PowerPoint template. And then once they have opened it, some of the properties are automatically filled. They can also add the type. For example, here they need a presentation, and here are basically the request details. So here they enter the brief, who's the target audience, and so on. And after they submit the request, this goes to your designs database, where once you are finished with it, you will enter the finished products here. And now I will show you this designs database. Here it is. So we don't have any finished products so far, but we do have, here is the new PowerPoint template request that I just created. So if I'm the designer now and I would like to take it, I just click on taking it and I'm automatically added as a designer. Then we also have the open board here by priority and so on. But basically it keeps all your designs in one place and all your designs on brand if everyone is using this process in your company. If you like this template and if you would like to use it for your own business, feel free to contact me. Thank you, and I wish you a nice day.